I'm Daniel Cooper. Glad that you could join us today. Today what we're going to be looking at is retailers. In particular, we're going to be looking at what's the contrast between higher end retailers and lower end retailers in the market that we're in today. So let's go ahead and begin. We'll take a look at that. We're going to start with a company by the name of Lululemon Athletica. Their ticker symbol is LULU. As we can see by taking a look at their chart, it was another really good day for Lululemon. What we can see here is that it's been on a steady rise up for the past year or so, but in particular, in the last 3 days, it's gone from about $90 a share to today's closing and a new 52-week high of about 103. Now, it closed at 102.81, was up just over 5% for the day. Lululemon Athletica, what they do is they're a maker of athletic apparel, and they're mainly geared towards women that run, do yoga or work out. Now, Lululemon's product line is not cheap by any stretch of the imagination. Their yoga pants start around $100, and tank tops start at much more than around $50 per tank top. So we can see here that this is definitely a higher end type retailer, really catered to the woman. Now, just like Lululemon, the next company we're going to look at is a company by the name of Crocs. They typically make those funky shoes that you see out there. And Crocs also made 52-week highs today. You can see here around $25 is where they closed at for the day, $24.67. But you can see this has also been something that's been trending up. These higher-end retailers, their stocks that cater to a loyal client base are showing much stronger appreciation than the value retailers like Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. We can see with Walmart, it's below both its 50, which is the blue line, and its 200-day, which is the red line, simple moving averages. So Walmart, unlike the last two that we've looked at, hasn't been trending upwards. In fact, it's been more volatile, and we see here recently it's been trending more downwards. Same thing that you're going to see with companies like Target, PGT, or Sears, SHLD. Now, for complete proof of this, we can show it by comparing two different charts. One, a high-end retailer, Tiffany. As we can see with Tiffany & Co., their stock has just consistently gone up here, especially recently. We've seen it's above its 50 and it's above its 200-day moving average. The complete opposite of Tiffany, another one of those lower-end type retailers, is Blue Nile Inc., ticker symbol NILE. We can see this stock is just a mess. You see the 50-day moving average just crossed over the 200-day moving average, which is never a good sign. The stock price is well below both the 50 and the 200-day moving average. So again, not a good sign for a company like this. So as we see by looking at some of the higher-end retailers versus the lower-end retailers, in the market that we're in right now, for some reason, favor is going after those higher-end retailers. The lower-end ones, their stock price is struggling a bit, while some of those higher-end companies like Tiffany, like Crocs, like Lululemon, they're really seeing, some good successes and some new 52-week highs. So keep that in mind as you go out there and you're looking at your investments. And as always, get out there, go grab the horns.